Hi, Clearwater first grade. My name is Mr. Feltz. I'm a first grade teacher here. And some of you guys might recognize me because I'm your homeroom teacher. If you don't recognize me, I'm one of the first grade teachers. And while you are working at home virtually, I am going to be your science and social studies teacher. So we are going to start off with our first science video of first grade. Super simple. Since we are going straight into science, I would like to teach you and explain to you what is a scientist and what a scientist does. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So here's our flip chart. What is a scientist? And a scientist is someone who gathers and uses research and evidence to make hypotheses and test them to gain and share understanding and knowledge. So that might seem a little complex and a little wordy for first grade, but I wanted to share with you that one key word in there, hypotheses, is an educated guess. So basically a scientist gathers information or studies something and uses research and evidence to make an educated guess on how it works or an outcome. They test them and to gain and share understanding of that knowledge. So that is what a scientist is. Now you might be asking, what does a scientist do? They ask questions. What will happen? They form an hypothesis, I think. So remember we said earlier that a hypothesis is an educated guess. They test their hypothesis to see if they were correct or if they were incorrect. They record their observations. So they will actually note take, graph, make diagrams of what their findings were. After they receive and research all their outcomes, they come to a conclusion to see if their hypothesis was correct. And this part is pretty cool because a scientist, you might think, only uses certain parts of the body. They actually use many different parts of their body for a scientist. Okay, the first could be eyes for making observations. They use their brain or a curious mind for asking questions. They use tools to help gather information. They use their feet to explore and investigate the world. And they also use their hands to test their hypothesis. Okay, so what we learned today was what a scientist is and what a scientist does. And next time, our video for number 2 will be what are some of the tools scientists use in their experiments and in their investigations. Thanks for watching video 1. I'll see you soon. Bye.